They will try to silence you, but if you're determined, you'll speak up regardless. So that's what I'm doing. English is my second language. I speak 3 other languages, so sometimes you can hear a little bit of accent, or may mispronounce some words. And yeah, but I'm still learning. So, and since we live in Canada, that's the main language, right? English and French. So that's what people communicate with mostly worldwide. So I'm still reading my books, fixing my grammar and all of that stuff. But I won't wait till my English is perfect. I will speak up with whatever English words that I know. So that's what I'm doing. I encourage other people to do the same thing. There's no such a thing as perfect time. So yeah. Yep. I made my channel last week. Yes, it was last week, and I'm not going to lie, my harassment got worse. So it is what it is, you know. It comes with the territory. I rather speak up. Enough is enough. Nobody deserves to be harassed like this. And you know, a lot of people ask, who did you make mad? Let me tell you something. Since when I was a little girl, I've been going through this. Who does a little girl piss off? I don't go after the little children, even if they make me mad, because I know they don't know any better. They're kids, right? So that being said, they just want something to justify their evil doing.